Hello, hello. Today's quarantine COVID project is rear camber kits for my 2001 Acura Integra. Got these on TruHart website. Do a quick little box in here, see what you get. A little phone. These are the guys right here. I'm going to be installing these to fix the camber on my Integra. Alright, get your wheel off. There's 3 bolts we need to loosen up. 1 here, 2 in the back. And to relieve the tension, I'm going to put a jack and lift it from this point here. Alright, I'm going to loosen up this bolt here. It's 14. Alright, for some reason, I guess I didn't hit record when I was taking this out, but there's 3 bolts. I've already loosened them up. 1 here, I don't know if you can see, and the 2 in the back. These are 14s. So, go ahead and loosen these up in the back, take them out. The same spot. The other one. Take it out. The big one here in the front. I don't know if you can see that. This one here. Gotta take that one out. And then she should come out. Let me see. Okay. Let's compare it to the TruHart. There it is. TruHart right there. Let's line them up. What you want to do is you want to loosen this up a little bit because you want to make the length the same as stock. Because after you install these, you're going to have to do an alignment. Highly recommended. See if I twist this. Go the other way. So. Oops. Hold on. Let me get a. Tools. This should help a little bit. Let me see. Put this in here. Okay. A little bit more. Oh, wait, maybe I want 2 more. What do you think? Right about there? That looks good. This out. Make this tight here. Cool. Alright, so on these bolts I'm going to put a little Loctite glue, just a little dab on the ends here. And the other one. Good. Position the camber arm. And put your first bolt in. Okay. The second one in. Okay. And the long one. Should be enough. Let's get the other one. Let's get them snug for now. There's a torque setting on each of these bolts. I'll let you know what they are right now. Let's just get these tightened up. Okay. So, bolts in the back here, they call for 29 foot-pounds. I'm just gonna go 30. So one, two, let's double check. Okay, and then this one, double check. Okay. Now this one, the bigger one, this one calls for 40 pounds. So okay. Okay. You gotta tighten up these nuts here. And I believe it's at, yes, it's a 13/16. You want to tighten these up so they don't move when you go to the alignment shot. On this particular camera kit, TruHart. Cool. Alright, that's it. Pretty easy install right there. Take it to the alignment shop, get alignment done, have them adjusted, and we should be good. Let's see here. Where's my light? Clean.